Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Guide World, your go-to spot for all things travel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Cape Town, a place that's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Things to do in Cape Town. Welcome to another adventure with Travel City. Today, we're diving into the heart of Cape Town, a gem in South Africa, perfect for your next adventure. Now I know what you're thinking. Trevor, isn't South Africa all about safaris and lions? And yeah, you're not wrong. But Cape Town? Cape Town's a whole different vibe. Whether you're 22, looking for that Instagram-worthy shot on Table Mountain, or 65 and eager to explore the Cape Winelands, there's something here for everyone. So buckle up because we're about to explore the mother city, and trust me, it's gonna be a wild ride. Alright, let's kick things off with the must-dos in Cape Town. First up, Table Mountain. You see that flat-topped mountain? That's not a glitch in the Matrix, that's Table Mountain, and it's iconic. You can hike up, but honestly, take the cable car. Trust me, your calves will thank you. The view from the top, breathtaking. You can see the whole city, the ocean. It's like looking at a postcard, but real life. Next, we're heading to the V&A waterfront. Imagine a bustling harbor packed with shops, restaurants, and street performers. You can find anything here, from high-end fashion to local crafts. It's the perfect place to grab some souvenirs, have a delicious meal by the water, or just soak in the vibrant atmosphere. And of course, no trip to Cape Town is complete without experiencing the Cape Winelands. Now, I'm not a wine connoisseur, but even I can appreciate the rolling vineyards, the charming estates, and the world-class wines. Take a tour, learn about the winemaking process, and most importantly, taste some of the finest wine South Africa has to offer. But hold up, there's more. For the adrenaline junkies, how about cage diving with great white sharks? Yeah, you heard that right. Get up close and personal with these magnificent creatures. Don't worry, you're in a cage, but still, talk about an adrenaline rush. And if sharks aren't your thing, maybe penguins are? Boulders Beach is home to a colony of African penguins. You can walk amongst them, watch them waddle. It's adorable overload. But Cape Town is not just about the big attractions. Sometimes the best experiences are the simple ones. Take a stroll along the Sea Point Promenade, feel the ocean breeze, watch the sunset, or explore the colorful Bocap neighborhood with its brightly painted houses and rich history. Cape Town is a city that embraces its natural beauty. Hiking trails wind their way up mountains, beaches stretch for miles, and the ocean offers endless opportunities for surfing, kayaking, and stand-up paddleboarding. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or a foodie, Cape Town has something for you. It's a city that will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. Now let's talk about landmarks. Cape Town's got history, and I'm not talking about the what did you have for breakfast kind of history. I'm talking about the this changed the world kind of history. First up, Robben Island. It's a somber reminder of South Africa's past, the place where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 18 years. Visiting this island is a powerful experience, a chance to reflect on the struggle for freedom and the resilience of the human spirit. But don't worry, it's not all serious history lessons here. We've got Table Mountain, which we already talked about. It's not just a pretty face, it's a symbol of Cape Town, a beacon that draws you in from miles away. And then there's the Cape of Good Hope. You know that pointy bit at the bottom of Africa? Yeah, that's it. Stand at the edge of the continent, feel the wind in your hair, and imagine the explorers of old sailing into the unknown. But Cape Town's landmarks aren't just about the big famous spots. They're also about the smaller, hidden gems, like the District 6 Museum, which tells the story of a vibrant community forcibly removed during apartheid, or the Company's Garden, a green oasis in the heart of the city, where you can relax among the flowers and fountains. And let's not forget about the Castle of Good Hope, the oldest colonial building in South Africa. It's a star-shaped fort that takes you back to the days of cannons and muskets. Cape Town's landmarks tell a story of struggle, resilience, and ultimately, hope. They're a testament to the human spirit, and a reminder that even in the darkest of times, beauty can be found. Now let's talk about the heart and soul of Cape Town, its people and their traditions. South Africa is a rainbow nation, a melting pot of cultures, and Cape Town is the perfect example of that. Here you'll experience the warmth and hospitality that Africa is known for. One of the best ways to connect with the local culture is through its food. And trust me, Cape Town does not disappoint. Let's start with the braai, South Africa's version of a barbecue. It's more than just grilling meat. It's a social gathering, a chance to share stories, laughter, and good food with friends and family. And speaking of food, you can't miss the local markets. From the colorful Bocap food market to the trendy neighbor goods market, you'll find a feast for your senses. Fresh produce, local delicacies, handmade crafts, it's a shopper's paradise. But Cape Town is not just about the food, it's about the music, the dance, the art. Experience the rhythm of traditional African music, the energy of a gumboot dance performance, or the vibrant colors of local artwork. One of the things I love about Cape Town is its infectious energy. People here are passionate about their city, their culture, their heritage. They're proud of their history, and they're excited to share it with the world. Whether you're chatting with a local shopkeeper, learning to surf with an instructor, or simply observing the daily life unfolding around you, you'll feel a sense of connection, a sense of belonging. Cape Town's cultural experiences are a reminder that travel is not just about seeing new places, it's about connecting with people, understanding their stories, and embracing their traditions. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the magic of Cape Town. From the iconic Table Mountain to the vibrant culture and delicious food, this city has it all. Don't miss the chance to experience the vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes of Cape Town. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure. Well, there you have it, our comprehensive guide to Cape Town. From iconic landmarks to mouth-watering dishes and vibrant traditions, this country has something for every type of traveler. If you've been to Cape Town, share your experiences in the comments below, and if you haven't, hit that subscribe button for more travel guides like this. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.